Hi everyone, if you're going to start laminate or vinyl floor installation by yourself, I'm not sure what kind of tools you need for your project, I would show you what kind of tools I am using when doing vinyl or laminate floor installation. This is my best choice. I've been doing this floor business already 21 years and I show you all these tools in action. Let's go to start. From my opinion, number one tools is oscillation tools. I am using DeWalt because I like yellow color and black. If you like different color, you can choose Milwaukee, it's red, Makita green, Ryobi green, and so depends what color, but all tools work almost the same. So why we need this oscillation tools? We have to undercut door frame, you see, and slide all floor under the door frame. When you buy cordless tools, try to buy one brand because very easy to use charger and batteries. In this video I am cutting fireplace frame. Sometimes it's stone, you have to use different tools, but most of it's wood or MDF. And also these amazing tools help you cut the door frame for folding doors in the closet because there is a metal, and before it was very expensive to cut, like one blade cost $50, and when you cut this door frame you break the blade. Now for $50 you can buy 30 blades. Just switch the blade and you can continue cutting to another frame. Very easy. Number two, this is jigsaw. With jigsaw you can make shortcuts, you can make figure cuts, because sometimes need to cut around the pipes, walls not so straight, and these tools really helpful. Usually if you don't have table saw, miter saw, you don't have cutter, you can use jigsaw. Shortcuts, it's really fast, but sometimes long cuts you have to spend time to do it, and very hard to make straight cut. So that's why for long cuts I'm using different tools. This is the number 3 from my opinion, a small circular saw. So on this video I am using Rockwell Versacut saw. Why I like it? Because very easy to cut. I like the feeling when I hold it in my hand, good collection dust, and very easy to install, set up depths. Now on the market many similar small hand saw, and you can choose like I said, what color you like. You can buy this saw, but try to buy a saw which is if it's cordless, try to buy one brand which is help you to use only one charger, same charger and battery. Number 4 for me it's laminate cutter. So usually if you don't have laminate cutter, you can make cuts with small saw, like I showed you, Rockwell Versacut, or you can cut with jigsaw. But this is cutter help you to cut all flooring material without dust and very fast, you see. And another benefit when you cutting this material, laminate flooring or vinyl flooring, very straight cut. On the market we have a few different brands of laminate cutter, and they represent regular laminate cutters like you see on this video, and also we have white cutters, because now very popular white boards of laminate and vinyl flooring. These white cutters will help you make some cuts with angle. And when you are going install your floor, first of all choose material, and then for this material buy cutter. All links to these tools you can find in description for this video. I will be very appreciate if you leave a comments, thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, don't hesitate. Ask me, I always answer you. See you on next video.